I hope I got that. How you doing, baby? Okay? There's 40 waterfalls.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
and you get like a t-shirt, like a water bottle, and then a letter press or something. I don't know. Press pitcher. Not as many stairs as New River Gorge, but there's still quite a few stairs. Been this aggressive, but Ohio's getting hit by a really bad storm right now, so I feel like that's why it's aggressive, and we've been getting a lot of rain this week.
I will say, all of these men smell fantastic. I don't think I put on any cologne this morning, but they all smell great. Must be Aqua Velva or High Karate. Seem to pick the trails that put us out of breath.
Yeah, always.
That has a ton of steps. How many?
I don't know here.
I thought you had checked before.
No, sorry.
But we came early.
There was a spider on me.
Oh, I love spiders.
Well, he didn't need to be in my car.
Spiders are good. But yeah, we always seem to pick we always seem to pick the places that have the most stairs and hiking for us.
Our skill level.
Yeah, our skill's not very good.
No.
We're getting there. We're gonna do it. We're gonna make it. Things are gonna change. I can feel it.
Okay, I hope.
And we're walking. We made it to Blackwater Falls. We're on the Elakala Trail, heading to a little waterfall that we're going to walk up to from above. Did I get it? I hope I got that. How you doing, babe? You okay? Let's get to the important part. You need help up?
Can you just leave me alone for a minute?
Yeah. It almost happened. I slipped and fell in the water, but I only got my shoe wet. So I'm determined not to. I'm determined to get this guy falling right here into the water. All right, I'm gonna head back. Christina's bored. She's up there looking real bored. So we're gonna head back. Let's hope I don't fall. It's gonna hit him in the head. I thought it was. Good enough. Goodbye. Oh, and that's where he'll be for the rest of his days. These families don't support fathers who want to be content creators. They don't at all. They go about their merry way and leave you behind, eating their snacks and giggling. Any final thoughts?
My knee hurts from falling, and my hand still stings. And they looked hella irresponsible down on those slippery rocks.
Who?
You and Jude. I thought they were going to get washed away, and I can't swim, so I just have to go back to my car and go home.
It's not very deep. I'm not going to get washed away. I grew up swimming in creeks and rivers. I'm used to it.
One wrong thing gets swept away.
I think I'm good. So anyways, aside from the doom and gloom, I had a lot of fun.
Whatever. I'm not the doom and gloom.
You were today.
I'm responsible.
How's your knee?
Hurt.
They were walking. Yep. Did I get it?
I don't know.
I hope I got that. How you doing, babe? You okay? Let's get to the important part. Slipping and sliding. You need help up?
Are you good down there?
Hold on.
Can you just leave me alone for a minute?
Yeah.
I think I hurt myself.
Well, for insurance purposes. I finally got one. I hope she's okay though.
Me too. Unless it's like insurance claim worthy.
I don't think on a trail you can.
I hope I got that. But I'm happy that you're okay.
Like, what the fuck are you tripping over?
Did you trip over this rock here? I think he did.
Like, I took.
Because you can see where her foot stepped after it.
God.